everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Websmith group Hack-A-Thon. Wanted to go ahead and do another video so you guys can see where we are with our Hack-A-Thon and how we're doing and if we're meeting our goal. Our goal is to build a mobile application by 9 o'clock tonight. We started at 9 this morning and we have all of our software developers working on it. This is our mural in the front. This is of Spidey. It was done freehand with chalk, so I just wanted to show you that. It says software developers, scientists, superheroes up in the corner, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna step back and see how we're doing. This is Kashaw. She is almost done with her part. Oh, you just got hearts.
Where?
on Periscope.
Oh, okay.
She's our CEO. She is ahead of the game. That's why she's our CEO. She is almost done with her part. She is building the back end to this mobile app, and she is almost done, and her brain is fried. So moving on back to the developers that are working on the front end parts. This is Jason. Jason's building the web piece. How's it going, Jason?
It's pretty good.
Are you making progress?
Yep.
Oh, we've got a question. What's this for? Who wants to answer what this mobile app is for? Mark, you want to answer? Well, I'll tell you. Hi, Jason. They said, say hi. All right, so I'll tell you what we're doing here. All right, we are building a mobile application that will be an events app. It will be released as a beta. And then, oh, we're getting hearts. And then after that, it will probably be available on the iTunes App Store and available for Android. So Jason is building the web part of this. At this point, we've been at this since 9 o'clock this morning, and we're making progress. We have these challenges that we're working to do. This is what's going to get us to the point where our mobile app is developed. As you can see, there are 9 challenges. All right, so let's talk to Mark. Mark is building the Android part of the application. He's very excited. His part of the application is now talking to the API. All right, so how long does something like this take? Mark, would you like to answer?
It really depends. We did have some issues getting it to contact back and forth, but normally if you have the API all set up, you just have to do a couple quick calls using your favorite technique. I'm using JSON, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It shouldn't take too long if you know exactly what the API looks like, and luckily we can see it on the browser as well, so we know what we're supposed to be getting back. And then from there, it's all about just formatting it and making it look okay. So. Awesome.
Any other questions? That was a great question. Any other questions for Mark? All right, so his is now, he's talking to the API, so that is a huge step. That means that yeah, you got a heart. That means now he just has to work on the layout. So it is functionally working. So we are really excited. So Mark, they're wondering how long you've been working here.
I have been working here since, well, full-time since January, but I was working here. They brought me on board very graciously while I was still in college in October. So it's been about 10 months now. Yeah.
And Mark has done lots of hackathons, so he is a pro at this.
Shirts from Hack-A-Thon, actually.
His shirt says hack. They said cool.
Yeah.
So he has done other hackathons. This is the first one that we have done internally. Normally it takes us a couple of months to fully build a mobile application, but we are challenging ourselves and trying to do it in one day, in 12 hours. So moving on back to Nate. Nate's building the iOS part of the mobile application. And I think he is doing really well also. Nate, tell us where you are with your part. They said, wow.